When I was a kid, I spent most of my free time like a lot of the kids in this picture, playing outside. My little brother and I climbed trees, we caught frogs, we rode our bikes, we played video games too, but we spent most of our time outside. That was 25 years ago. Today, kids spend a lot less time outside being active and a lot more time being sedentary. And this trend has had detrimental effects on our cities, on the health of our city's kids, especially here in Philadelphia. So Philadelphia has both an obesity epidemic as well as an epidemic of anxiety and depression amongst kids and teenagers. One of the best ways to combat this problem is through active outdoor play. A body of research shows that outdoor activity, specifically in a natural setting, has positive benefits on the physical and mental health of kids. Pediatricians know that their patients can benefit from outdoor activity, but most doctors don't live in the same neighborhoods as their patients. And so they can't really give specific local advice on how to get kids outdoors. Also, Philly has lots of green space, but many people don't know where or how to find a park that fits their needs. So, the Schuylkill Center partnered with the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, the U.S. Forest Service, and Philadelphia Parks and Recreation to pilot Pennsylvania's first nature prescription program. So pediatricians will actually be prescribing time in nature for their patients. So when a kid goes to their well child visit, their annual checkup, they get a discussion about outdoor activity from their doctor. And if a patient needs a higher level of counseling, they'll get a nature prescription and a referral to the nature navigator. So research has shown that patients are a lot more successful at adhering to prescriptions when they have a community health worker to guide them and to motivate them. Our nature navigator will meet with patients and follow up with them after their clinic visit to help them fulfill their prescriptions and to help them incorporate nature into their daily lives. And so this may include taking a family to a park on a Saturday for a hike or organizing outdoor play dates for groups of patients. We realized that just having the doctor give a nature prescription wasn't enough. We had to build in a support system to help patients succeed. The Nature Navigator is a crucial part of that support system. Another part is the website. naturephl.org, designed by Punk Ave, features a unique mapping tool with a database of over 500 parks and green spaces throughout the city of Philadelphia. So patient families can search for parks by zip code to find a park in their neighborhood. They can also use filters to search for parks that fit their needs, whether it's benches, stroller and wheelchair accessibility, bathrooms, playground equipment, or picnic tables. Each location on the map also has a park page with pictures so that visitors can get an idea of what a park looks like before they go. It also has directions for how to get there via public transportation, as well as a list of events happening at parks and recreation centers throughout the city. So a patient family who doesn't feel very comfortable going to a park on their own, or maybe don't know what to do when they get there, can still get outdoors by attending one of these events. So, with this website, the Nature Navigator, the education materials, and the clinician training, we see Nature PHL as a suite of tools that can be recreated and scaled up or down for use in other hospitals throughout Philadelphia and beyond the city. The Schuylkill Center's vision is to create a world where all people play, learn, and grow with nature as part of their daily lives. Nature PHL allows us to enact that vision beyond people that visit the Schuylkill Center to anyone who wants to enjoy nature in the city. The scope of this program is larger than what the Schuylkill Center could accomplish on its own. These four main program partners have different missions, but we're all invested in promoting healthy families who enjoy nature in our city's green spaces. Groundbreaking, innovative ideas benefit from partnerships because they allow us to combine our resources, expand our capacities, and have a greater impact than one organization can have on its own. In addition to our four program partners, Nature PHL has benefited from collaborations with several community partners, allowing us to reach an even wider audience. So, my question to you is, how will you use Nature PHL? Because we want this program to be valuable not only for kids and patients and their families that are receiving nature prescriptions, but to anyone who's looking to enjoy nature in Philadelphia. Thank you.